So guys, the plan no work. We plan to cook. See there? I plan to cook cow foot soup, but the cow foot take too long to cook. So this is the next day cooking. So now I'm gonna turn it off because I'm going out. And then when I come back, we'll finish it. Or we'll finish it tomorrow. But today we're not gonna have no cow foot soup. Why? We got Popeyes. Popeyes. Let's see what I've got. Cooking everything up. On the fries. Not too bad. Second. One. Two. My God, that's a lot of chicken. I think I'm gonna leave some. Bought myself a gravy. So that's mashed with gravy. Cajun style. And I bought myself a drink as well. I think I left it in there. So. So let's taste this. Not too bad. Not too bad. Thumbs up for me. So I'm just gonna have 2 pieces. Put this in the fridge.